Welcome to tutorial number 158. In this tutorial, we will talk about the next command in sheet metal sketched bend. And we will go straight to apply this feature with an example. And then we'll see some cases how to deal with the sketched bend. And then talk about the advantages of sketched bend and compare it with the base flange. Start a new part OK, and we will draw a shelf hanger. I will start from the front plane and draw a triangle, and let's give it some dimension. And add relations. Fillet the down corner. And make place for holes, so it will be easier to save some time. We can make the holes already here. So this is the basic sketch of the hanger, and we will mirror this sketch. Make this for construction and mirror. Click on this to uncheck it, and the mirror about this side. Go to the sheet metal base flange and make it a thickness of 1 millimeter. Click OK. So now we have base flange, and now we'll see how to bend it with the sketched bend. So sketched bend is a feature to bend some sheets. Fillet these edges, feature fillet them. Okay. So now we can bend this hanger with the sketched bend feature over here. So to use the sketched bend, click on it, and you will again get two options as we talked about in the previous tutorial, similar to the jog. So you should be familiar with this. So directly I'm going to pick the face, and here SolidWorks will start a sketch to draw a bending line. Click normal to, and the line, you will make it in the center of this flange. When you are done, exit, and SolidWorks will ask you about the bin parameters. This is the fixed face, similar to the jog, and now you'll see you are able to bend it. And here are the options which we already talked about, inside, outside, and I will just keep it in the center of the bending line, and here you can make it with an angle. So I'll make it 8 to 9. And for the hangers, you notice that the radius is a bit bigger, so you can override the value to type 10. Okay, we can click OK, and the hole we can make them a little bit down. So let's make this sketch it bend. Sometimes when you can get complicated faces or boxes and you need to bend some edges, and it can be difficult to made it with the edge flange. So this feature is flexible, that you just can draw a line and bend wherever you want. And also one advantage with using this sketched bend, that you will get a smooth edge over there. If we flatten, because we already draw that sketch and we see it is smooth, and when you exit you will notice the edges as well are smooth. And let's compare it with the base flange. So if you would like to make the same shape with the base flange, it can be done, because this shape is kind of simple, but in some detailed sketches or in some detailed places where you need some bends, you cannot made by base flange. But let's try to start a sketch for the base flange in the right plane and draw a 90-degree. The sheet metal base flange mid plane, and we said the radius is 10 millimeter. Okay, and here is the first step, and then to create this triangle you need to cut over here, and then again another step over there. And another thing, the cut here is on an angle, so if you would like to cut this side and then this side, you will not get a smooth edge as in the case of the sketched bend, because the original shape of the sketch is made and then bended. And now let's see another case where the base flange cannot make it. So we will make a partial sketched bend. Go to the original sketch, edit, we will create a tab to support this hanger. So I will draw corner rectangle, and define it some dimensions. and create a tab cut. Make this construction offset entities 1 millimeter offset verse. OK, and close the cat. And now exit. You'll notice that this tab is already bended with the sketch, but I wanted to keep this straight. So let's see how to do this. We can edit this feature again, go to normal tool, or we can start again to show you how it can be done. Suppress this feature. To give it a chance to be bended, we can extend that cut. Make a similar. And define it. Make this construction. So we extended the cut. And now let's try to keep this straight and see and start the sketched bend. And line from this side to this side. Exit the fixed face is this. You can select one of these options. When you are done, click OK. So here you can see that we could partially bend this hanger, and this cannot be done with the base flange.